Otikpo, you again. Otikpo, you again. Fighting in this school. Otikpo, you know we don't condone such. We don't condone any form of bullying, any form of fighting. And of all people, you have to choose favor. A female student. Otikpo, Otikpo, why? What happened?
No, I don't know. Makalaka.
Come on, say, shut up and speak English. What happened?
Kopeze, Oyibo Bukwabala.
Jesus. Favor. Why do you have to fight? What happened? Tell me exactly what happened.
I was on my own, no, reading my book. Then he came and stepped on me. He pushed me. Then I pushed him back. He slapped me. Then I did the same back to him. That's how the fight began.
Oh. Hey! Otikpo. What Favor just said now, is it true?
Kopeze, please, I don't hear what she told. Can you interpret it for me?
Interpret it to you. Otikpo, okay. Tell me what happened. Explain now. What did you do?
I did my day. I did my day. I see is my ear. Whim. Within I turn. I see her. I suffer. Whim.
Jesus. Otikpo, you want to slap me? Jesus.
No.
You know that? You want to slap your copper?
No. Kopeze don't want to. Hi, Otikpo. Respect yourself. We are in the public.
Otikpo. Okay, continue.
And she give me snake bite like this. I see you are giving me like this. I give a monkey style. Win.
Otikpo, you want to scatter my family again? You want to kick me in my family? Otikpo, you want to scatter my family? Otikpo, my generation. This is what you did. I mean exactly what you did to Favor.
This my leg. It's only if I do like this, you lose control.
Otikpo, you want to scatter my family? Otikpo, you want to scatter my family? Otikpo, you want to scatter my family? Otikpo, 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 Otikpo.
Asavocham. Copper Sindo. No be copper eze be this. Waiting there for am. Copper, Kevin Achukwa, why are you running? Kevin Achukwa, Kevin Emezi.
Copper Meka. For local government secretariat.
Yeah.
And then they come from
what happened?
Let us say our PPA and for Medugri we go service.
Me what?
Medugri for North.
For North? Go do it.
And I hear sir from there they go pick us go army, go they serve, we become soldier for Nigerian soldiers.
Which army? Nigeria army.
Nigeria army.
Nadia will go join. I don't go anywhere. I will go tell my mama now. Me I don't serve finish. I don't serve finish.